Can I get an AA and use it immediately? Yes, you can get AAA membership and use some benefits immediately, but certain services such as roadside assistance may have a waiting period depending on your location and membership level. How to get A-Day AA membership and use it right away. Step 1. Sign up for AAA membership. Visit the AAA website or a local branch to enroll in a membership plan. AAA offers different levels, including Basic, Plus, and Premier, each with varying benefits and coverage. Step 2. Choose your membership level. Select the membership tier that best fits your needs. Higher tier plans offer more services such as extended towing distances and additional roadside assistance benefits. Step 3. Pay for your membership. Complete your payment online, over the phone, or in person. Some AAA clubs may allow immediate activation if you pay in full at the time of purchase. Step 4. Check immediate service availability. AAA policies vary by region, but in many areas, new members may have a waiting period, typically 48 hours, before roadside assistance is available. If you need immediate roadside help, you may be required to pay an additional fee or upgrade to a higher tier plan. Step 5. Access AAA benefits right away. Even if roadside assistance has a waiting period, other AAA benefits such as travel discounts, shopping savings, and insurance services are usually available immediately after joining. Step 6. Use roadside assistance if eligible. If your membership allows same-day service or you have paid an additional fee for immediate assistance, call AAA for help with towing, battery jump starts, fuel delivery, or lockout services. AAA membership provides valuable benefits, including roadside assistance, travel discounts, and insurance services. While some benefits are available immediately, it's important to check with your local AAA club to confirm if roadside assistance has a waiting period or requires an additional fee for immediate use. To see the best offers on insurance in your state today, click on the link in the description below.